Good evening, students. Today, let we learn Civics Unit 1. The chapter is Equality. The word equality, when we hear, at once comes in our mind is all are equal. So, we must treat others in the view of brothers and sisters. So, there should not be any discrimination of in any matter. That is called equality. Equality is one individual or group of people should not be any discrimination in the matter of gender, disability, religion or belief, and age. According to Professor Lasky, equality does not mean identity of treatment, the sameness of reward, which means equality is not only treat all are equal, but also in the reward matters. Now, let me discuss the importance of equality. Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal that has inspired and guided human society for many centuries. The concept of equality invokes the idea that all human beings are equal regardless of their caste, color, gender, race, or nationality. Now, let we see the kinds of equality. There are 4 kinds of equalities. They are social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality. Let me discuss one by one. First one, social equality. Social equality means that all citizens have rights to enjoy equal status in the society. There should not be any discrimination of caste, creed, color, and race. All should have equal opportunity to develop their personality and complete the goals. This is called social equality. Now, let me learn civil equality. Civil equality is all the citizens to reach the civil rights in the country. Here also, there should not be any discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or the poor, caste or creed. Equal rights should be reach every one of the citizen, and nobody should be denied the rights of citizen. In England, in front of the law, people are equal. There is no discrimination in the power or normal. The same way, India also followed the rule. Now, let me learn what is political equality. All the democratic countries, including India, have guaranteed the political rights to all citizens. It includes right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. So, one who attained 18 years of the age, he or she can eligible to vote. So, no one deny them. India is the first country to give right to vote to women from the very first general election held in the year 1952. So, any person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest in the election in India. Thank you, students. We will see the next class.